Well, hello there, nieces and nephews. It's actually been 2 days since I did this, so it's time to put it in the oven. Now, I'm not going to just stick it in the oven right like this. I'm going to actually transfer it to my roasting pan. So, be back in a minute with this. So, now that I have it in the roasting pan there, as you can see, it's not covered, so we want to be careful about this and actually cover it with aluminum foil before we stick it in the oven. Now I'm going to do this with the shiny side, or the shinier side, up. At least for this first part. And just kind of give it a good seal around. Now, you're going to put it in for roughly 15 minutes per pound. So a 10-pound, well, a 12-pound bird would take about 3 hours. No. Yeah, 3 hours. I do believe this one was 14, so about 3.5, 4 hours is what this is going to take. But I will check on it, and I will show it to you at times when I'm actually bringing it out so you can see, and when I'm doing basting and things like that. So, don't forget, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And let the video play all the way through. Even if you're not really paying attention to it, I don't mind. Nobody pays attention to me anyways. So go ahead and just let it play, please. At least that helps out with YouTube. I'm not monetized yet, so every little bit helps. Although, I do take donations. So, anyways, in the oven, this is going. And that's going in on the middle rack, or the rack in basically the middle position. And the oven, if I didn't already mention, is at 375. So, see you in probably a couple hours, at the very least. So, talk to you in a little while. Welcome back. So, it's been about 2.5 hours. So it's time to check this. Plenty of steam. Let's go ahead and use a meat thermometer just to make sure that we're coming up to at least 180-ish. Okay, so in the breast it is over 180, so we are done. I'm going to stick this back in the oven for uncovered for about 20 minutes to crisp up the top. Should have actually flipped it over a little bit, but it is cooked all the way through. So back in for 20. So, we'll be back in 20 minutes to pull it out and let it rest. See you then. Okay, well, it's been about 20 minutes since we put it in to toast up the top. And so it's time to come out so it can rest before we carve it up. Now look at that. So, We are going to let this rest for a little while now before I carve it up for serving. So, go ahead and, if you haven't already, please click on the like button down below. If you're not currently a subscriber, please subscribe and join the tribe. That way you can then click on the notification bell and set it to all notifications. So when I upload other videos, you can go ahead and get notified of those too. Please come back and watch it and join. I'm going to be posting more recipes soon. Bon appetit, bonsoir, good evening. Enjoy, and hope you make this yourself. Good night.